So this is the Andes mechanical keyboard. My other video showed what happens when you first plug it in. Now I'm going to go through the lighting mode since I actually read the manual. Alright, function tab. Okay, that one's pretty static. This one is a prismatic, wave. Nothing happens when you hit the keys. This one sends a wave through the whole keyboard, centered on where you start typing the keys. That's kind of crazy. This one looks like an always on. Looks like it changes the colors a little bit, kind of funky. This one only changes the color of the key you depress. Oh man, that one's crazy. This one lights up the keys you type. Looks like a wave. That's probably the one I'm gonna go on. I like my white light. That one's pretty cool. And that's all the modes.